What if your Gmail could write responses, your docs could summarize, and your sheets could analyze trends all on their own? That's the magic of Gemini AI in Google Workspace. Gemini is Google's AI that works seamlessly with Docs, Gmail, and Sheets. It automates writing, provides data insights, and summarizes tasks effortlessly. To get started, just open Google Docs or Gmail. Look for the Help Me Write or Gemini icon. Type a command like summarize this report or create a sales email. Gemini drafts it for you in an instant. Just edit and send. No need for new software. It's all within your Google tools. It boosts your writing, analysis, and data clarity like never before. But remember, it needs clear instructions. Think of it like a helpful assistant that needs guidance. Activate Gemini in your workspace today and try it on your next email. Subscribe for more tips on integrating AI into your daily workflow.